Okay, when I'm multiplying a mixed number and a whole number, the first thing I want to do is take the mixed number and turn it into an improper fraction. So here's how you do this. The denominator, the 10, stays like it is. Now you multiply and add. You go from there around in a circle. So 10 times 2 is 20, and 20 plus 9 is 29. Now this 4 that's out front that we're multiplying by in the original problem, you just pop it up in the numerator, pop it up top. Now before I actually divide this, I noticed that 4 and 10 can both be divided by 2, so if you can make your numbers smaller, it just helps. So I'm going to just cut both of those in half. So half of 4 is 2, and half of 10 is 5. So my denominator is going to be 5, and then the numerator I am multiplying here. So 2 times 29 is 58. So that is how you would write the answer as an improper fraction. If you want to turn it back into a mixed number, let me show you how I do this. 5 goes into 5 one time. 5 goes into 8 one time with 3 left over. So whenever you are at the end of the numbers in the numerator, you have your remainder. So that goes on top, and then this number goes on the bottom. Denominator always stays the same. So that's two different ways of writing that. Okay, so again, first thing, change the improper fraction into a mixed number. So keep the 6, go around, multiply. 6 times 3 is 18. 18 plus 5 is 23. This 8 is going to go up top. Okay, 8 and 6 can be cut in half. So half of 8 is 4, half of 6 is 3. So my denominator is going to stay 3. And then 4 times 23, let's come out here and figure that out. It's 12, 8, 92. Okay, that's the answer as the improper fraction. If I want to make it a whole number, 9 divided by 3 is 3. And then we can't do 2 divided by 3, so that 2 is actually, can't do it, so I got to put a 0. And the 2 would be a remainder. So 30 and 2/3 is the mixed number. Change the improper fraction to, the mixed number to an improper fraction. Keep the denominator the same. Multiply. 3 times 4 is 12, and add. 12 plus 1 is 13. The 10 gets popped up top. 10 and 4, you can divide those in 2, cut them in half. Half of 10 is 5, half of 4 is 2. Okay, multiply. Denominator is going to stay the same. 5 times 13 is 65. Okay, 65 over 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. I'm sorry, I don't mean to cancel that out. 5 divided by 2. 2 goes into 5 2 times with 1 left over. Denominator always stays the same. So 32 and a half.